Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to slay your eyebrow. Eyebrow is the focus of your makeup, so if you're a beginner you need to watch this video. Just continue to watch the video and see the easy and quick technique to make your eyebrows pop. So these are just the products I'm going to be using to slay my eyebrow. Don't be scared. It looks like a lot, but trust me, it's going to be an easy and quick process. So the first thing, so I'm just using a razor blade to clean my eyebrow. I don't really have a lot of hair because I did this process like few days before. So you can use the other thing to clean it. I'm just using a razor blade because I like it better. It's really sharp. And you have to be careful during this process so you don't wound yourself. So next thing, I'm just going to use my Sacha Buttercup and a blending sponge to just dap on my eyebrow. This step is really good, especially if your face feels greasy, so that the pencil can really pop when you draw your eyebrow. So I'm just going in with a sharp dark brown pencil. I can't remember this brown. I think it's by Aiden. I got this from a beauty supply just around my neighborhood. So really want to have a steady hand and focus while doing this. Of course you're gonna make mistakes, but keeping a steady hand is best for this process. And you have to, when you get towards the end, you want to create that arch look just like I'm doing right now, and it's gonna be really thin. So next I went in with the same eyebrow pencil to fill in my eyebrow. You can go as dark as you want. If you notice, I didn't start all the way from the beginning. I kind of left a little small inch just so it can look more natural. Next, I went back in with the same pencil, giving light strokes from the beginning, just so it can look even more natural. And after that, I went in with a spoolie just to brush my flying away hair. Feel free to go back with your pencil to correct any mistake that you must have made. Next, I went in with my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean up my eyebrow. This will make it more defined and even more popping. And I didn't start from the beginning. I'm going to use a different color, Beautiful Bronze, towards the beginning and the top of my eyebrow. The shade Fawn is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and Beautiful Bronze is similarly exactly the same as my skin tone, if not 1 shade. Now I'm going in with a blending brush and I'm just blending the Beautiful Bronze just so I don't drag that lighter shade towards the top. Again, I'm using the Beautiful Bronze for the top just so it looks more natural. It's makeup, we understand, but at the same time I want to keep it natural. So after I'm done blending the top part, I'm going to come back down to blend the Fawn shade. It might seem the same, but trust me, there's a difference in the color. Next, I'm just going to use the rest of the concealer I had at the back of my hand to just blend in preparation for eyeshadow. This serves as like a base. Lastly, I just went back in with my Sacha Buttercup to set in the concealer. Voila, we are done. Can you tell the difference? Can you see how my eyebrows are popping? This will make a difference even when you don't have any makeup on, because your eyebrow is the center of your face, not just your makeup but your face too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.